Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are the first to see my videos. So in today's video, I'll be doing the viral food that that's on TikTok, and my son is the one actually wanted me to make this for him. And I got the jalapenos, his chips, and the cream cheese, and I ended up getting the jalapeno from the 99-cent store, and there were 3 pounds for $1.99. That's a lot. And he had these flaming fries. um he only allowed to eat like a few at a time. That's why there's still a little bit left. And the cream cheese that we made enchiladas the other day, so we bought the big cream cheese. So anyways, I washed my peppers and I cut off the top. And yeah, so he saw these on TikTok and he eats hot stuff. I don't. My other son doesn't, but he will eat Takis, but that's it. But he drinks water like after every Taki. Like every time he eats one, he would drink water. But my son and my husband can eat hot stuff. I can't anymore. So I said, hey, if you want me to make this for you, it has to be a video. So he said, okay, mom. And I had to bribe him into putting his face on the thumbnail. So yeah, so we went to the 99 store. I got the peppers and I went ahead and put this together for him. He really liked it. My husband tasted, I think, without the fries, and he said, man, it was really good. And I was surprised. I like jalapeno poppers, so I don't see why I wouldn't like this. But right now I cannot eat. I have to watch everything that I eat due to some stomach issues that I'm having. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and stuff it. Like I already did a few of them already, and just stuff it with cream cheese. And some of them cracked at the side, but just I took the spoon, push it in. I took the back of the spoon to help push it in some more. But I wear gloves every time I deal with pepper, because when I was young, learning about cooking and everything, I had cut up habanero hot sauce for my husband. I made the hot sauce for my husband. Hey guys, if you haven't by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and thanks for doing that for me. Yeah, so anyways, I ended up making it was habanero pepper, onion, and I think that was it, and a little bit of vinegar and water. And I did not know I cut the habanero pepper with my hands and of course a knife, and I was touching it. And that whole night I had to sleep with my hand in the cold water. I mean, we were like newly, I don't even think we were married at the time. And so I'm just sticking the fries inside. Yeah, everyone does this with Takis, you guys. This is all I had at the time. My son eats Takis. My youngest son eats Takis as well, but they didn't have his flavor, I guess. So we end up getting that. Again, these are not stuff we keep in the house, but they had like a movie night the other day, so my husband bought it, and I told him he can't eat a lot, and he does have a cheat meal on Saturdays, so he saved it for that, except when I use it for this video. So this is it. It's done. So anyway, with my story, that's what happened. I slept the whole night in cold water, and I was like, it was hurting. But my son will eat on here. You will hear that. I won't do a voiceover for that. So listen to what he has to say. And again, wear gloves. Yeah. You like it? Mm-hmm. It's not hot?
No.
Is it juicy?
No.
So that's my 13-year-old, and he loves peppers, and he was like, hey, he used to be so much fun and do these things with me, but now he's a teen, so it's like, mom, I really don't want to. Anyways, but he did. Thanks for watching. Please don't leave without subscribing. Bye-bye.